Okay, so first thing to notice is the lightweight. It definitely is very easy to handle, and it simply folds out like this. It's very sturdy, and what I really like about it is the fact that the steps are so wide. So a lot of people nowadays work in their homes without shoes on. I actually work in residential HVAC, and sometimes I do an audit around people's house, and I always take my shoes off when I do that work. And when you go up a smaller step ladder like this one, it's very stressful on your feet to step onto a small step like this. So with this one, you have nice big steps. And what I also like about it is you have this bar to hold on to. So if I'm going to touch something or look at something up here, it's very sturdy and comfortable to get around. So I was sent this ladder by Woa for review, and I thought I'd like to do a little comparison to see how this one would compare to using that 4-foot ladder around the house. Packaging looks very good. It's lightweight, so the box is easy to pick up. Well, I would say that's very impressive. There's nothing to put together over here. The packaging so far looks excellent. Here's a sample of different heights that they offer. There's a 2, 3, 4, and 5 step. The one I'm reviewing is this 4-step. Woa Woa was founded in 2021, and they're dedicated to enhancing your home life with high quality household ladders and trash bins. They bring a fresh and convenient touch to your home through elegant designs. So again, if I step here with my bare feet, it's very tight. There's a lot of pressure on my feet going up this way. And I really can't use more than 2 of these steps because I have nothing to hold on to. Here, the weight is spread very nicely across my feet, and I can comfortably get to the 3rd step because I have a lot to hold on to. It's very easy to reach the areas I need to reach. So from a storage point of view, if you look at this, that difference, this profile is so much thinner. Definitely much easier to store it behind a door or a close gap between furniture. So if we take a really close look at this, it's got these nice non-slip threads. They would be very easy to clean also. If you should get dirt on them, you can simply wipe them down. And it's very easy to fold this up, pick it up, and walk to it with wherever you need to. I mean, it's such a beautiful piece. Some people would probably just leave it in their house depending on the other decor they have around. But if you compare it to this type of thing, it's just in a whole different class of its own. The comfort factor for me, apart from the aesthetics, is really the major point. I like the safety factor also, the fact that you have something to hold on to. And as I said earlier, comfort as far as the tread width is phenomenal. So whether you want to use it as a professional doing home service work or just use it around their house, this one is definitely in my house.